Well, let's shift our focus briefly on domestic political news now. After Nitish Kumar's Rajya Sabha move, a Bihar cabinet formula has now been put in place. Top sources have told your channel that the Bharatiya Janata Party will, of course, get the chief ministerial position, replacing Nitish Kumar. 15 ministers are also, who are belonging to the BJP, will be part of that cabinet. The JDU will be getting the deputy chief ministerial position, and the JDU will also get 15 ministers in that cabinet. Their allies, the LJP, may get 2 berths. The RLM could get 1 ministerial position, and the Hindustan Awam Morcha, which is led by Jitan Ram Manjhi, a former chief minister himself, will also get 1 cabinet berth. So who will the chief minister be? Who will the deputy chief minister be? That's the big question. Let me go across to my colleague Mohit Bhatt, who's been tracking these developments very closely indeed in Bihar. Mohit, we know now as to what the cabinet formula is going to be: an equal number of ministerial positions for both the Bharatiya Janata Party and the JDU. The chief minister will belong to the BJP, the deputy chief minister most likely with the JDU. All we're waiting for now are the names.
Yes, in fact, Siddhartha, and what we are getting to know is that in all likelihood, the chief minister would be from the BJP, the deputy chief minister would be from the JDU. Now, it is being speculated that Nishant Kumar, son of Nitish Kumar, will be making his political debut, and he could be the next deputy chief minister of Bihar, but that remains to be seen. 15 ministers for the BJP, 15 for the JDU. LJP Ramvilas Party could get 2 berths in the cabinet. RLM and Hindustani Awami Morcha can get one minister each. So who exactly would be the chief minister? That remains to be seen, because we know for a fact that how exactly there are various names speculated, but with BJP you cannot speculate. BJP is known for surprises, and perhaps that is why we cannot speculate that who exactly would be the chief minister. But then, as we speak, the data is out. The power sharing formula is out that the chief minister would be from the BJP, deputy chief minister from the JDU. There could be 2 deputy chief ministers, 15 ministers each from BJP and the JDU.
Mohit, there were 3 names that were being spoken of as far as the BJP was concerned. We'll try to get Mohit back on the line once again, but there were 3 names that were, of course, being discussed. One was Samrat Chaudhary, who is the deputy chief minister right now. There was also, of course, Dilip Kumar Jaiswal, as well as Nityanand Rai, MOS Home as well. But those are, of course, purely in the realm of speculation. Let me also get a word in from my colleague Saket. साकेत, बहुत कुछ कहा जा रहा है कि कौन रिप्लेस कर सकता है नीतीश कुमार को मुख्यमंत्री के पद पर. 3-4 ऐसे नाम बीजेपी के द्वारा स्पेक्युलेट किए जा रहे हैं, लेकिन कोई दावे से कह नहीं सकता कि बीजेपी किसको चुनेगी.
देखिए, बीजेपी को लेकर कोई ये दावा तो नहीं कर सकता कि कौन चेहरा होगा, क्योंकि सरप्राइज हमेशा बीजेपी लोगों को करते रहा है अब तक के फैसलों में. चाहे वो कई राज्यों के मुख्यमंत्री की लिस्ट आप देख लें, या फिर बिहार से जिस तरह से नितिन नवीन को राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष उन्होंने बताया था. खुद नितिन नवीन को पता नहीं था 2 से 4 घंटे पहले कि उनको राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष का पद दे दिया जाएगा, और फिर उनको वहां से अचानक से ये जानकारी मिलती है. तो ये कहीं ना कहीं चौंकाने वाले फैसले बीजेपी हमेशा से लेता रहा है. लेकिन अगर बिहार के मुख्यमंत्री के चेहरे के तौर पर देखें तो ऐसा कोई बड़ा चेहरा आपको नजर नहीं आएगा बिहार में जो कि नीतीश कुमार के पैरेलली खड़ा हो सके बीजेपी के अंदर. तो ऐसे में एक चेहरा जो अभी तक दिख रहा है वो सम्राट चौधरी का दिख रहा है, जो कि गृह मंत्री का भी पद उनको चूंकि दे दिया गया था पहले से. तो हो सकता है कि सम्राट चौधरी को एज ए मुख्यमंत्री कंटिन्यू किया जाए, उनको मुख्यमंत्री की कुर्सी दी जाए बीजेपी की तरफ से. लेकिन ये भी आप पुख्ता तौर पर नहीं कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि बीजेपी की जो पूरी विचारधारा रही है वो पार्टी के अंदर के नेताओं को, जो संगठन में जिन्होंने अपनी भूमिका निभाई हो, जो आरएसएस बैकग्राउंड से हो, इन तमाम चीजों को नजर रखते हुए ही फैसले लिया करती है. तो ऐसे में अभी कहना थोड़ी जल्दबाजी होगी. कुछ दिन और वक्त लगेगा जब ये चीजें साफ हो पाएगी.
All right, so Saket, of course, giving us a perspective on what's likely going to be the BJP's decision in terms of the factors that might influence its eventual call to replace Nitish Kumar as chief minister with a member of the BJP. Now, who's that going to be? We'll have to, of course, wait and see. Now, there was another major political development that took place